That's right. Always a good time. Good time in the backyard, in the creek. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a great video. Hey Schwaegeled.
I think we could have made it.
What are you up to?
I think we're close.
So Schwaegeled, explain what you're doing right now.
A little mulberry recovery.
Wish we had a little bit more light. Hey, you should turn the reverse lights on so I can see more.
It's all pointing into the creek.
Well, I know, you should turn the reverse lights on next time you get back up in that machine. I was needing a new video for YouTube. Since I didn't record anything at Brimstone. That was a fail. By the way, everybody, I went to Brimstone. It was a blast. I recorded nothing because it was a fail on recording and a win on ride. How you doing over there, Schwaegeled?
Very good.
You know, if you had that remote winch control that you fried, this would work great.
I'd be good right now.
Would you like me to at least hold while you're winching in? All right, I'll do me. You do you. Looks like you need to pull your pants up there a little bit, brother. Hey, turn them reverse lights on so I can see have more light. Well, yeah, that didn't help much, but that'll work. What are you doing?
I got wrapped up there.
What, you got some corn, got some corn stalks up in the front? Oh, what'd you do? Run over the winch cable? Oh, it's so bright. Sorry, YouTube. It's so bright I can't see. Come from the other side.
For holding it.
Did you get it? Hey, did you get it unstuck? Good thing I'm helping. I mean, I'm video. I can't help and videotape. One or the other.
You might need to do both.
Well, shit. Well, how much under it is it?
Would you, did you?
What a fail.
Here it is. Ready?
Well, hold on. What do we got going on here?
I'm gonna back up.
Oh, you're gonna back up and I'm gonna pull it out. Yeah, that sounds like a hell of a plan. Yep.
Ready?
Good, good. Hold on.
Right,
Stay where you're at. Just stay where you're at. Hold on. Hey, would you like your vape back that I just found on the ground?
Yeah.
Okay, got that for you.
Good job.
Yeah, YouTube people, viewers are gonna be like, oh my God, that's everywhere. You think maybe you could, yeah, go. Yeah, maybe you should turn off one of the lights, like the big one. No, the big one. That, what? Turn the small one back on. God.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Yeah, go ahead and give me a strip show. Yeah. Yeah, that's not really any better. Can't see anything. Well, at least you got your reverse lights on. That helps. Hey, stop for a second. Stop. Stop. Are you sucking this thing in? Did you lock the clutch back in?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, for sure. It wouldn't do that. I mean, at what point in time would you not do that? Alright?
This is gonna be a great video. It's gonna be the longest video I've got on YouTube. It's either gonna get 0 comments or 5. That's all we got. Ow! You hit me with that, you shithead.
Alright, you ready now?
Go.
No, I'm gonna get a beard. I mean, you already made me get out a bunch of times.
Well, I can only do so much.
Alright.
Oh, that's totally working better. Well, what'd you turn that off for? It's perfect. Turn that light back on. And this is why we can't have nice things.
That's why we do have nice things.
Oh.
Hold on.
Oh, windshield wiper. You're getting close. Stop. Back to you.
I'm glad you found that because I lost it.
I know. That's what I'm here for.
That's way better.
All right, I guess the drama's over, huh? Why do you keep turning your lights off? What do you have against keeping lights on? All right, tell YouTube world goodbye that you're out of your drama.
I'm going back in.
Oh, all right. Well, that'll be the next one. Tell them bye. No, not going to. Not going to say bye.
Bye.